Time for you to replace your furnace. Congratulations. Everybody loves replacing a furnace, right? Not. What do? Do you install an 80% efficiency, or do you go all the way up and get the Cadillac 95% efficient furnace? Well, it really depends on how long you're going to live in the house. If you're going to live in that house for the foreseeable future, you're never going to move, install that 95% efficient furnace and you will save money. If you're only going to live in there for a few years, then install the 80% efficient furnace. A buyer is not going to give you much more money for your house for a 95% efficient furnace. So it's better to install an 80% because you're not going to recognize the price delta between the 80 and the 95 before it's time for you to sell. It really depends on how long you're going to live in that house.